Hello everyone, I'm from Lark Immigration and today we'll discuss about Ielts speaking topics and idea generation. Most of you faces challenge in your round 2 when you are about to speak for at least 2 minutes, and there is a problem that most of the students lack with the ideas. So today we'll discuss about it. Idea generation for round 2. So you are supposed to speak on the given topic for at least 2 minutes. So try to have the content for 2 to 3 minutes so that even if you'll skip any of the idea, you still be able to complete 2 minutes. And here is a technique following which you will be able to stretch out your topic. The first one is 5 W's and 1 H family to elaborate your topic, and I will suggest you that don't complete your point in just one line. If you are having any example or reason with it, try to add it so that you can have a point to explain for at least 30 to 45 seconds. And then the last one is you can adapt the PPF technique. Here further we'll discuss that how you can add these 3 points for elaborating your topic. Firstly, we'll discuss about 5 W's and 1 H. So you have to raise these questions in your mind like what, when, where, why, which, who and how. And when you'll be raising these kind of questions in your mind, you'll be having the content to speak on your topic. For an example, if I have to explain about a trip I had recently, so in preparation time, what I'll be doing is I'll be raising these questions in my mind so that I can have the ideas what to speak, like where did you go? So I have to say the name of the place. When did you go? So then I'll be saying about the season or the month or any occasion when I went there. With whom did you go there? I can say about my friends, my family. But again, when you are mentioning about these things, you have to frame the complete sentences and by adding the example or the reasons. Why you went there, what you do, what you did there, then how you enjoyed that trip, what was the most exciting thing about the trip, why you liked it. So there will be so many points in your mind while answering these questions, and you'll be easily able to answer for at least 2 minutes. The second point is supporting your ideas. Like for elaborating your answer, you need to add you need to add a support to your idea by adding either a reason or an example. Again, this will help you to stretch out. Like while answering or mentioning the question, I can add like if I have to say about the quality of my friend, so and I'm saying that he is very helpful, so how I can elaborate it, like my friend always lends a helping hand to all, and I will not finish it just by saying this. What I can do is like I can add an example with it, like he never feels shy or ashamed of even going out of limits to help. I would like to mention a situation when my friend and I went to eat out and there was a lady beggar shivering with the cold. He took off his jacket and gave it to her, and I was too shocked that he gifted his newly bought jacket. So what I have done is I have given a reason or an example with the point which I was mentioning about the quality of my friend. And the last one is the PPF technique. PPF is past, present, and future method. Like I can begin with the past situation, then explaining the present one, and then ending with the future. Like somebody is asking me, do you want to be a librarian? So how I can answer? From the past, like I have never given a thought to this kind of profession. Coming to the present, but I feel that I'm very organized person and I love the silent vicinity. So if given a chance in the future, I would definitely not deny it. So these are the techniques which will help you to elaborate your topic. Thank you.